Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. Today we are going thrifting and I'm sharing with you my tips for where I like to go thrifting and where I think you can get some really great deals. I'm here with my mom. Hi. And she's gonna help me with filming and we'll go see what we can find. Where we're at is at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. And if you just search in your area for Restore, you should be able to find it. I know in our Kansas City area, we probably have maybe 6 or 7 probably different stores. So we're gonna try to go to a couple today. This one we're going to right now is huge. It's like, I don't know, it must be like their headquarters in Kansas City. It's the biggest one. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I like to pick up and they have great deals. So let's go check it out. Okay guys, so one of the things I love to look at is cabinetry when I'm at the Restore. I'm looking for a craft room space. So I'm looking for some low cabinets with, I would love for, a lot of them don't have tops on it, but I'd love it if it had a counter. And I think those are perfect for putting in craft rooms. So I'm gonna look around and see if I can find anything. These are the right height. I just wish they had a counter, so we're gonna keep looking. So my favorite thing at the Restore is definitely their furniture. They have some of the best prices. And I mean, chairs are usually no more than $5, so let's see if we can find something. $5. I'm looking for, I need a set of 2 chairs, so I'm gonna see if I can find that because I'm redoing a desk space, so I need 2 chairs that I can paint up cute. So hopefully I can find that today. I get a lot of commercial stuff. Look at this crate. That's so cool. What do we want for that? This would be such an adorable bench sitting outside. I don't know how much it is, but even if like you took this piece off, I think it would make a cool bench. That's cute. Do we need it? Same thing for cabinet doors, but what I love about cabinet doors is they already have a frame, so it looks like it's framed. So what you want to do with this is just paint on the inside, and then you can put your stencil or whatever artwork you want in the middle. So, I mean, and these are usually like, looks like 50 cents or $1. It's such a good price, and you're reusing wood. Ooh, they have shutters, good. They also have shutters if you're looking, like I was thinking about maybe doing a shutter over my master bedroom, like over the bed in my master bedroom. I think that would be really cool. Hang like a wreath on it or something. So you can literally get these for so cheap here. So I hope you have one of these in your town because I think you guys will really like it. Yeah, we gotta show them the cat. Oh, you're good. The drawers are also a great option. Let me show you. They sell these for $1. They're just from like dressers. So you could do things like turn this into a shelf, or maybe make like a shadow box. You could use them, like a bigger one you could use as like a tabletop. So there's so many things you can do with these. I think you could use them even like for storage on your wall, like as like a cube set, or wall art too. So I love getting these here. I do need some extra stuff. Curtain rods, they have a ton of those. You can always spray paint these. If it's metal, like let's say we bought this one, like that one's cute black, but it's kind of messed up. So you could always re-spray paint this black, and I think it would be gorgeous. This is $3. You don't need to go to Walmart and buy new curtain rods. Ooh, these are cool. Ooh, I like that. What could I do with that? These are 50 cents. They're kind of messed up on this side. This is something I think I might need. Okay, so I'm looking for 2 chairs that are matching for my project. All of these chairs up here are $5 each. Oh, and I grabbed some twine for 75 cents. They had that. All of the chairs are around $5, so this is where I love to buy chairs and stools. Oh, but these are cool, these bar stools. They got a set of these like leather bar stools. These would be cool. Like this chair right here is $5. $5 for that wood chair. That's a great deal. Most thrift stores will not have them for that cheap. I wish they had 2 like this one. Bummer. Found these 2 chairs. My desk that I need to put them under is 60 inches long, so I'm going to measure it and see if they'll work. So that's 43 inches with quite a bit of room, so I think these will be perfect. So $5 each for these chairs. Okay, so they have this section of shelves for $1, and basically it's just pieces of wood. You can use these to make signs, so many different things, and they're already cut down to like a pretty good size, so just paint it and put a stencil on it. If you guys had a chance to watch my chandelier redo video, if you haven't, I'll link it below for you to watch, but I picked up a chandelier from Habitat and redid it. They have super inexpensive light fixtures. You're gonna get a light fixture anywhere from between 10 and I mean some of their bigger ones are more expensive, but most of them are between $10 and $25, and you can just update them with a little spray paint. I think this one, I really like this one. I was gonna use this one for my master bedroom, but it doesn't work because one of the light fixtures is 4 and the other one's 3. But this one right here is $15. Even if you spray painted that and changed out the little globes on it, it still is such a great deal. Like something like this new in the store, you're gonna pay over $100. This was cool. So this one looks brand new, you guys. It's a drum light. Yeah, this is brand new. I don't know how much they want for it. But I mean, you can even find newer fixtures here, so it's definitely worth coming and checking them out. Or like that one up there. Like there's 2 of those that you could coordinate in a kitchen. Or like this one right here would be awesome. This one's $40. That would be really cool, chalk painted, and then just change out the lights to make them more modern, and that would be adorable. They actually have some good lights. This one, you guys, is $50, and honestly, you really don't even need to do anything to it. I mean, it's got that brown bronze, which is still in style, so you could put that up in your dining room, and if you bought that new, it would be $300. Come to the Restore to find your light fixtures, and if you find one, post it in the Facebook group at lizfenwickdiy group, or send me a DM on Instagram at lizfenwickdiy. Hey you guys, they have more light fixtures. So some of these are outdoor ones. So sometimes you get lucky and find what you want, and sometimes sometimes you leave with nothing. So I'm gonna look through these and see what I can find. I feel like this is a heavy light fixture. That one would be cool chalk painted. I think we need to get that one. $10, and it's like that 90s gold. I think we should chalk paint that. Leave me a comment, because I think I'm gonna get this. What color do you want me to chalk paint this? I'm thinking right now, like Annie Sloan duck egg blue, maybe gray, white, I don't know, or we could do something crazy. So let me know in the comments what color you would paint that chandelier. There's also a lot of mirror options. This one they only want $1 for. And they also have mirrors that are between like $5 and $10. So instead of going to TJ Maxx and spending $30 for this mirror, just chalk paint the frame in white and you have the same. Then let's see, they also have a lot of wall art, so I always like to check out the wall art. So this frame, they want $5 for this wall art, which I think is adorable. It would be perfect farmhouse for Christmas. The frame's a little beaten up, so you could go in and try to add a little bit of brown stain to it, or you could paint it white, and I think it would be adorable sitting out for Christmas. I hope you guys got some great ideas for some items to check out while you're thrifting, and hopefully you have a Restore in your area. I only picked up the light fixture, so I can't wait to chalk paint that for you guys, so watch out for that in a future video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, and I'll link our last video here, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye!